$500 per week, $2,000 per month, from home in the USA without prior experience is a realistic goal in 2026. The shift toward AI-driven tasks and remote customer service has created a massive demand for entry-level workers. Below is a comprehensive guide on the best paths to hit this income target, organized by ease of entry and potential earnings. 1. AI training and data annotation. This is currently the fastest-growing sector for beginners. Companies need humans to teach AI models how to speak, write, and think correctly. What you do: you read AI-generated responses and grade them for accuracy, or write better versions of those responses. Top platforms: dataannotation.tech, Remote Tasks, Invisible Technologies, and Appen. Pay typically starts at $20 to $25 per hour. Path to $500 per week. Working just 20 to 25 hours a week at $20 per hour reaches your goal. Requirement: strong English writing skills and attention to detail. 2. Remote customer support and claims processing. Many large U.S. corporations, insurance, retail, and tech hire freshers for remote support roles. What you do: handle customer inquiries via phone, email, or live chat. Top platforms: Indeed, ZipRecruiter, and Support Your App. Look for companies like the RTA Store, Telenetwork, or Arise. Pay $17 to $22 per hour. Path to $500 per week. A standard part-time schedule, approx. 25 to 30 hours, easily clears $500. Requirement: a quiet home office, stable internet, and a helpful attitude. 3. Micro freelancing. The gig economy. If you have a specific hobby, like basic graphic design, voiceovers, or even organizing spreadsheets, you can sell these gigs directly. What you do: list specific tasks, e.g., I will remove backgrounds from 50 photos for $25. Top platforms: Fiverr, Upwork, and Linktojobbers.io, which offers commission-free options in 2026. Pay: you set your own prices. Path to $500 per week. Completing 5 to 10 small projects at $50-100 each. Requirement: a profile that showcases what you can do. 4. Virtual assistant (VA). Busy entrepreneurs and small business owners need help with admin tasks that don't require a degree. What you do: scheduling meetings, managing social media comments, or basic data entry. Top platforms: Belay Solutions, Fancy Hands, and Zirtual. Pay $15 to $25 per hour. Path to $500 per week. 20 hours at $25 per hour or 30 hours at $17 per hour. Requirement: good organizational skills and familiarity with Google Workspace or Microsoft Teams. Comparison table: 2026 entry-level gigs. Method: ease of entry. Hourly rate: hours to reach $500. AI training: easy. Test rec: $20 to $40. 12.5 to 25 hours. Customer support: medium. Interview: $17 to $22. 23 to 30 hours. Virtual assistant: medium. $18 to $25. 20 to 28 hours. User testing: very easy. $10 to $20. 25 to 50 hours. Strategic success plan: to ensure you hit your $2,000 per month target consistently, follow this 3-step setup. 1. Optimize your tech. Ensure you have high-speed internet, at least 50 megabits per second, and a reliable laptop. Most no-experience jobs are won by the person with the most professional communications. 2. Stack your gigs. Don't rely on just one platform. For example, do 15 hours of AI training, 300, and take 2-3 freelance writing or data entry jobs, 200, to finish your week. 3. Use 2026 AI tools. Use tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT to polish your applications and resumes. Professional-looking communication is the secret to getting hired when you have zero experience. Pro tip: beware of scams that ask you to pay for equipment or training up front. Legitimate $500 per week jobs will never ask you to send them money first.